Hi guys, in front of me is Snap Phone 3A Pro, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open new message. And here you've got your current keyboard. To change it, just mark Settings, click on Languages, and tap plus icon. Now pick the language that you want to apply. You can either scroll till you find it, or in search area, enter the language. Click on preferred one, mark done, and that's it. Let's go back. And now you have two languages. You can switch between them by tapping on word icon, just like that. And once you want to have one language only, just remove unnecessary one by tapping on edit icon, mark the one to remove, tap on bin, and that's it. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.